Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to fix incoming call not showing problem on your Pova Curve 2. Make sure to follow every instruction carefully displayed on your screen so the problem gets fixed quickly and smoothly. And if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more helpful guides. Let's get started.